Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we're making a Mediterranean-inspired salad. So we're going to start by making a tahini sauce, and then we'll move on to actually tossing our salad and getting all of those ingredients ready. So for our dressing, I'm using 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is a sesame seed paste. So it's similar to a nut butter, but it's made from sesame seeds. So it has a very distinct flavor. It's very good. Not to mention it has a lot of good stuff for you. So we have our tahini. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then I have 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of oregano. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, just like a pinch of each, essentially, just to flavor it a little. Okay, and now I'm ready to blend. Okay, so now it's done. So you can see it's just incorporated. So you could even just stir this up in a bowl if you preferred. I like a blender because it breaks down those oregano flakes just a little bit. But I'm just going to set this to the side until we're done with our salad. Cool. So for our salad, I have 4 cups of fresh spinach leaves. I have 2 cups of cooked black lentils. You could do green lentils or black lentils. We have some tomatoes, some olives, and some red onion. So I'm just going to toss some of these lentils with the spinach, and you can kind of eyeball it to see how many you want. I'm going to toss in my tomato, toss in my red onion, and my Kalamata olives that we've halved. So I'm going to toss all of this together first. And then I like to serve this, and like if I'm doing this with family, I like to let them add their own dressing. That way, if you have leftovers, it's not going to go bad. You can kind of separate it all. But if you are serving a big group, you could toss the dressing with it as well. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my lentils now. So it's a really lentil heavy salad. The leafy greens are there as well, but it's not I should say the base of it is not necessarily leafy greens. It's really the lentils. So we have this beautiful looking salad. Lots of different colors, lots of good minerals and nutrients in here. I think we're good and ready to go. So here's your salad. I'm going to go ahead and plate this, and I'll put some dressing on one so we can try it together. You guys can see the lentils, the tomato, the olives. It's really pretty. Spinach, this would be a great meal, but it can also be a side. Whatever you think. And now I'll drizzle some dressing on top. This is a pretty thick dressing. You could thin it out if you prefer. It's totally up to you. Okay, let's see how we did. I'm just going to kind of toss the dressing in a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It doesn't get old. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this salad as much as I do. Share it with your friends and family. Be sure to comment below, subscribe, and I will see you next time.